Check it out. We are no longer rendering out of bounds. Everything is in bounds. Letterboxing still needs to fix the distortion. Let's look at the code. We've made a lot of different changes. We made a mistake here, so I marked the mistake. 119, we've just replaced the dvp1s with new vp1 in a lot of different places. dvp1 replaced with new vp1 here. Same thing here, just replacing dvp1 with new vp1 here. Same thing here, dvp1 replaced with new vp1. Then we're going to make sure that new vp1 is not out of bounds, it's not negative, and it's not outside of the extreme bounds of the renderable region. And if new vp1 is a positive value within bounds, then we can assign it. Actually, we're assuming it's within bounds no matter what. That's why we got the error checking. So for review, new vp1 is signed, dvp1 is not signed, and basically we're doing our math earlier with dvp1 when we needed to be doing it with new vp1 and then assigning the result over when we were done with our calculations. I'm paranoid now, so I'm going to make sure that this variable and this variable are the same object in memory. Here's what we did previously. Just a little note. Here's what we're doing next. You can get the source code here. You've been on this playlist here. This has been video 119.